What's up guys, RedXTech here, and today I have for you a video on how to set up an Apache web server on an Amazon Linux EC2 instance. I'm going to assume that you have already set it up or know how to do that already, but I'll probably do a later video on how to do that somewhere. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is have all your files ready. It's a lot of stuff to remember, so I just wrote it down in a little thing there. And I'm also going to assume that you know how to connect to your instance. So yeah, I'm just going to connect to my tutorial one, load, and open. And the first time you connect to it, it'll show up this thing. Just click on yes, and there you have it. Won't need this for too long. I'll just close that down for now. So yeah. Actually, first what you're going to want to do is open up here, go to aws.amazon.com, sign into the console. I'm already signed in. Go to EC2, security groups, the one that you have, edit inbound rules. You'll have that by default. Just change that to my IP, add rule. HTTP port 80 anywhere, add another rule, HTTPS anywhere as well, and save. Then it's done. You no longer need that. So yeah, got that done. So next, or now you're going to connect to that. Okay, so just update all your packages. So sudo yum update -y. That's the yum is the package manager for their Linux image, and the update just updates their packages, and -y just requires no confirmation. So this here will install all your Apache, MySQL, PHP, all that. Copy that and put it in there. Press enter. I'll just install all those for you. There, great, you got that installed. Now you're going to want to start your server, your Apache server. Sudo service httpd start. Now it just started. It's great. Now to check that it's running, type in chk for check config -list httpd, because that's what Apache is in this. And then your 0 should be off, 1 should be off, 2 should be on. No, that's not good. Your 2, 3, 4, and 5 should be on. Okay. I'm gonna just restart that. Okay. Now, yeah, that's not good, but what you should have is 2, 3, 4, and 5 on. So yeah, now you're gonna, just to test it, go onto your public DNS, check that. If it's there, then, if it's all set up, then you should be showing this page right here, Amazon Linux AMI test page. So yeah, just to show that the Apache HTTP server has been installed. Great, that's good. So now, just to allow you to edit the actual place that you need to edit for the web files, is you're going to need to add a group. I'm just going to clear it. So, sudo group add www. Now you're going to add your default user to that group. Sudo user mod -a -g www ec2-user. Now don't worry, I will have all of these commands for you in the description, or I'll just link to a place where you will have all of those. So yeah. Great. Now we're just going to relog. So exit, boop, and that's gone. Now reconnect again. Load, open, and there we got it. It's all set up. Now just test the groups. You got there. It shows all the groups. Okay, so next you're gonna have to change the ownership of those files. That'll change the ownership of them to your group. Now I'm just gonna change the permissions for the directory to it'll just add the permissions for you to like modify them and all that stuff. Just paste in these commands that I will be showing in the description. Then we got all that set up. Now we're going to test to see that the PHP is all set up with a little PHP thing. Now let's go to the page. Oops, one. I'm going to connect to that again. And we, great there, /php info.php. It should show this, so yeah, that's great. But since that's it's good that you removed that for some security reasons, I guess. Now I'll just paste it in there to remove it. And now you will be able to add stuff to your place. I'm going to show you how to do that with FileZilla. Oops, that's Firefox, not FileZilla. You're going to go to your sites, Site Manager, YT, Connect for YouTube, and then now that you have it all set up, you should be able to go into here. Var www, yeah, and have it and be there. So now you're in HTML. Great. Now I'm going to drag in some files. YouTube, your index.html, your that's just going to be your home page. This is going to be your error page. This is going to be just a page that I have to show you, and this is my styling. You should have that already set up. So I'm going to shut that down for now. Now, when I go to that place, dang it, I'm going to have to copy that up again. I'm going to just like leave it open. Now when you go to here, this is the home page. Just a preview of what my web page will look like when I have it fully released. It'll be changed a bit sooner, but yeah, this is what it'll be like. And when you type in a URL that doesn't work, /URL, it'll bring up this thing. That's because you haven't configured it to use your custom URL or your error thing. And for YouTube, just going to go to YouTube. Now you're not able to do that because you haven't removed the .html. You have to go to HTML. And there. This is where the YouTube thing comes. So I'm going to show you how to fix it so you can not have to have the .html, and so that you will have your custom error thing. So yeah, have this all in here as well. So what you're going to want to do is go into here, change your directory to /etc/http/conf. Oh, it's httpd, that's it. So now, what you're going to want to do is sudo, or just might list them all there, http.conf and magic, sudo nano httpd.conf. This will just open this up. This is your configuration file. Whoops. Yeah. So now what you're going to want to do is Control W to find and search for allow override. Okay. You'll see it right here. Now, allow override to all, and then require all granted. Now, Control O to write out, Control X to exit. Now I'm just going to do this again. Control W, search. Allow override. There's another one in there. This is it here again. It also doesn't allow it. Saying set that to all. All granted, it's good. So yeah, we have it all set up there. Now we can Control O again, write that out, and exit. Now we'll be able to use our htaccess file. So yeah, I do not have that in there, so we're going to have to create it ourselves. We can't create a new one in there, of course not. So I'm just going to go back to cd/var/httpd/www/html cd/cd/var/cd/httpd. Where is it? Oh yes, cd www. Find out where it is again. Cd HTML. And we can see that we have our stuff in there. So now we're going to just go nano.htaccess. This is the new thing here. What you're going to want to do is error document 404. So this is just directing at 404, which is page not found error, to /error.html. So now I'm going to Control O to write that, and Control X. Now sudo service httpd restart to restart it. And now you'll be able to see that when I go over here to just /YouTube, never mind. That didn't work. Now you see, this is probably because I didn't do the directory override thing properly. Allow override. Now cd/. I'm actually going to do sudo nano/etc/www/html. No, that's the wrong one. http/http/conf/httpd.conf. Great, we have it here. I'm going to search again. Allow override. Again, go to the next one. And here it is. This is because I forgot to do it here. All, require all granted. Great. Goes to there again. I'm going to have to do this a few times until it's all good. All, require all granted. Okay, there. Now we're good. We can Control. Oh, you can do this the first time as well. Just keep searching. Control X to exit. Now we can restart the service. And now when we go over here, it'll show you my error document. So yeah, now we want to make it so that you do not have to do the .html on the end of your website. So yeah, go back into here and nano.htaccess, error document 44. Okay, now I'm going to do a new line here. I'm going to paste in some stuff. Now, this will just change a bunch of stuff so that it'll automatically add it to your request, the .html. Now, Control O to write that, and Control X to get out, to restart it, and then we're good. Now we no longer need the HTML. And this is great. So yeah, that is it for my tutorial today, guys. And if you enjoyed, just share this video because I feel that it'll be really helpful to a lot of people. And yeah, just subscribe for more tutorials. I will be doing a lot more web development in the future. So yeah, if you enjoyed, like I said, subscribe, like, share it, and enjoy setting this up on your website. See ya.